The Bristol Shakespeare Festival is an open-air theatre festival founded in 2004 and held annually in the parks and green spaces of the city of Bristol, as well as in both traditional and non-traditional theatre spaces in the city. The festival is a not-for-profit organization that claims to be the largest professional open-air Shakespeare festival in the UK.Running. During the month of July, the festival plays host to a wide range of theatre companies, usually presenting between 7 and 10 full professional productions from across the United Kingdom. References